Today, we're diving into something exciting. How to invest your first $1,000? Yep, you heard it right. Investing doesn't require a fortune to start. So let's get ready to make your money work for you. But wait, before we jump into the money-making journey, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Investing is like planting a money tree. You put in a little bit of money today, nurture it, and watch it grow into something bigger over time. And guess what? It all starts with that first $1,000. So let's break it down, step by step. You've got your $1,000 burning a hole in your pocket and you're ready to make it multiply. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, build an emergency fund. Imagine your emergency fund as a financial safety net, ready to catch you if you fall. It's your cushion against life's unexpected curveballs, like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Having this fund in place is your first line of defense against financial setbacks. But how much should you save in your emergency fund? A common recommendation is 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This figure can vary depending on your personal circumstances. For instance, if you have a stable job and support from family, you might lean towards a 3-month fund. However, if you're self-employed or have dependents, aim for 6 months or more. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine your monthly living expenses add up to $3,000. For a 3-month emergency fund, you'd aim to save $9,000. If you prefer a more robust 6-month fund, your target would be $18,000. Now, here's a real-world example. Meet Sarah. She's starting her journey to invest $1,000. But before she dips her toes into the investment pool, she knows the importance of her emergency fund. Sarah calculates her monthly expenses at $2,500. She decides to aim for a 4-month emergency fund, which means saving $10,000. It takes her some time, but she diligently sets aside money until she reaches her goal. Sarah's effort pays off when her car unexpectedly breaks down. Without her emergency fund, she might have been forced to dip into her investments or accumulate high-interest debt to cover the repair costs. But because she had that safety net, she smoothly manages the situation, keeps her investments growing, and avoids unnecessary financial stress. Step 2, pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a real financial burden. Think credit card balances with interest rates soaring into the double digits or payday loans that charge exorbitant fees. These debts can drain your finances, making it challenging to invest and grow your wealth. Paying off high-interest debt is like plugging the leaks in a bucket before filling it with water. If you don't stop the leaks, you'll struggle to keep the bucket full. Similarly, if you don't address high-interest debt, it can drain your financial resources, hindering your ability to save and invest. Let's consider an example. Meet Alex. They have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an annual interest rate of 18%. Without making substantial payments, the interest alone adds up to $900 a year, making it challenging for Alex to get ahead. Understanding the importance of paying off this debt, Alex creates a plan. They decide to allocate a significant portion of their monthly budget to tackle the credit card balance. By making consistent larger payments, Alex manages to pay off the debt within a year. With the high-interest debt eliminated, Alex now has more financial breathing room. They can redirect the money that was once going toward interest payments into investments. Over time, Alex's investments grow, thanks to their disciplined approach. By addressing high-interest debt, you're not only saving money on interest payments, but also setting the stage for a healthier financial future. It's a crucial step in your journey towards financial freedom and successful investing. Step 3, create a budget. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. It's all about understanding your income and expenses, which empowers you to make informed choices with your money. Contrary to the misconception that budgeting is restrictive, it's actually liberating. It's the foundational tool for achieving financial success. Start by tracking your income sources, such as your salary, freelance work, or any side hustles you might have. Then, list your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and any debts you're currently paying off. Once you have a clear picture of your financial inflow and outflow, you can identify areas where you can cut back or optimize your spending. Maybe you'll realize that you're spending more on dining out than you thought, or that subscription services are eating into your budget. Step 4. Open an investment account. Now let's get to the exciting part, opening your investment account. Think of this as the gateway to your financial future. There are several types of investment accounts to choose from, depending on your goals and risk tolerance. One popular option is a brokerage account, which offers a wide range of investment choices, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It provides you with the flexibility to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment objectives. Another option is a retirement account, like a Roth IRA. These accounts come with unique tax advantages and are designed to help you save for retirement. They can be an excellent choice if your goal is to secure your financial future. If you're just starting and have limited funds, don't worry. There are micro-investing apps available. These platforms allow you to start investing with as little as $1,000. They often offer automated investing options, making it convenient for beginners to enter the world of investing. When choosing an investment account, consider factors such as your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and the fees associated with the account. Some platforms offer commission-free trades, which can save you money in the long run. Remember, opening an investment account is a significant step, and it's essential to choose the one that aligns best with your objectives. As you embark on this exciting adventure, keep in mind that your investment choices should reflect your long-term financial aspirations. Step 5. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing, and it becomes especially significant when you're working with your first $1,000. Think of it as the strategy of not putting all your financial eggs into one basket. Instead, you spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and potentially real estate investment trusts. This approach helps reduce risk and enhances the potential for long-term financial growth. Imagine your investment portfolio as a garden. In this garden, you're not planting just one type of flower, but a variety of flowers, shrubs, and even some fruit-bearing trees. Each plant has its unique characteristics. Some thrive in sunlight, while others do well in the shade. Some bloom in spring and others in summer or fall. If a pest or disease affects one type of plant, it's less likely to spread to the others. This diversity ensures that overall your garden remains vibrant and resilient. The key takeaway here is that diversifying your investments is like creating a balanced financial ecosystem. It ensures that your money isn't overly dependent on the performance of a single asset class. Instead, you have a mix of investments that can collectively work to grow your wealth while managing risk. Keep in mind that the specific allocation of assets in your portfolio should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification doesn't mean an equal distribution of funds among all asset classes. It means creating a mix that suits your unique circumstances. Over time, you can adjust your portfolio as your financial situation and goals evolve. In summary, diversification is a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. It's about spreading your investments like a well-tended garden, nurturing a variety of assets that can help you achieve your long-term financial aspirations while safeguarding your wealth. And there you have it, 5 essential steps to invest your first $1,000. Remember, every financial journey starts with a single step, and you've just taken yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.